Alright, so I pretty much have most of the components for this board that I made. But yeah, hopefully that shows up okay. But yeah, let me see if I can show this here. Oh, not my passwords, but yeah, let me see. Let's open a new project. Let me see. Is the architecture in here somewhere? Hardware, where's hardware? Nope. Where'd I save this thing? Am I crazy? I'm also running on like no sleep, so. Oh, it's probably saved in where? Hardware. There you go. Here we go. Okay, so schematic for this. Yeah. Okay. Cool. This should be good. This should be, yeah, this should be what I had before. So let me see if I can pull this up here so you can look at the schematic that I'm looking at. So let me see. Okay, so we got that there. Let's change this so that we scale these. Oh, okay. Scale this down. Maybe. And then let's put video capture. Yeah. Cancel. Not camera. Remove. Remove. My sit down win was stinking. I had to get my things removed. Okay, so it's 2. Yeah, no. What? Oh, okay. I guess it's just not showing up properly yet. I gotta scale it. Alright, so let's see. I mean, I could show the other way, but I think it'd be easier to see it this way, just so we can focus on one thing at a time. Okay, so I don't have the capacitors yet. I will be putting in, or I did the liberty of putting the, I think it's the RJ11 port, and then the Modbus controller. So, I was going to make it so that you guys can see the, what do you call it? That you guys can see the microscope, but there's no way that I can make it look good with this camera, and my capture card is not playing nice right now, so we're gonna have to settle with this until I have 50 subscribers and YouTube lets me, you know, do things. Okay, so could we hide this? Maybe. How do you? There you go. So we can focus on that. And then, yeah, so I'm gonna solder this stuff on. I do have the TVS diode, and then again, we're just waiting for the Okay, so we got these 10 ohm resistors here. Do have the TVS diode, which we'll put on along with this port here that we have. We're just missing the capacitors, and if anything I can stream myself putting that on too. And also, of course, these things here. I'll cut that to size. Let's see. My cat's also being a cat, so that there. And these terminals here. Oh shit. Of course, gotta pick that up. What do you want, cat? It is lost. Lost in the ninth dimension. Yeah, I fucking lost it. That's cool. I lost the other one too, because it's fucking flying. Yeah, we'll just cut 2 more. There's one. What do you want? Come here, bitch. Fucking bitch. Cat wants attention and then she doesn't. That's cool. Typical cat. Cool. Okay, so we're gonna solder this shit on, and then yeah. I did also check. There's like tiny vias here, if you guys remember from the previous stream. Or actually, if anything, I'll probably just show you what that looks like. Let me see, PCB editor, and then we could change to 6, and then move this here. There you go. See. So I have tiny vias here that will go to the ground plane, and I confirmed that it does go to the ground. I was very curious if that was even doing what it's supposed to do, but it is. But yeah, so let's go back to schematic, and then yeah, let's start installing some stuff, dude. I'm just cutting these to size so I can solder them in a bit, but yeah. So let's turn this over. Put some flux down. I mean, if you guys remember, these are no connect, so let's look at the PCB just to make sure. Yeah. So only these 3 are going to be connected, and then these other 3 are not going to be connected. But we're going to solder them in any way, just so we can have some support. So we'll use some flux. Get the cat out. She's being a cat. Okay, so this looks like doo-doo. Make sure kind of see without it having a glare. Let's see how this looks. It doesn't look good. I don't have a proper webcam yet, so we're using my phone camera. It's supposed to be like a 2K or 4K camera, but for some reason it's just not showing up well. So let me go to my channel real quick. Showing up well. I mean, it's visible. It's visible, I guess. Alright, so let me make sure the microphone doesn't sound so low. Let me see. put up my input? I can. It's actually at 41. That's why it's so low. Okay, put this at 100%. And then let's see how that sounds. Yeah, that sounds way better. Cool. Okay, for some reason it was at fucking half. So now we can actually hear me. Let me play some music. And this is me testing how I sound as there's music playing. Yeah, it's good. I like that. Okay, so put the music up a little bit. Alright, let's get this shit going. We're good. Everything's good. Put some flux. Okay. Turn my iron on at 760 Fahrenheit. Not that I need it to be that high, preferably like 680, 690. Because my tip is going out. Checking the other side to make sure there's solder on, plenty of solder on throughout the video. Pushed in all the way. I wonder if I could record on my phone at the same time. Probably not. Hold on. We'll test that another time. Throw this real quick. There you go. There you go. looks. to my knife edge tip. Then with the TVS style, and then the resistors on there. I believe the resistors that I got are equivalent to the ones that are recommended by the Modbus controller, but because I couldn't find the exact part number. Not that it's necessary, but it's something. Time for us to, get shit done. Set a little bit hotter just because the tip was a knife edge, so before heating just to get to the ideal temperatures. Clean it up a bit. And then okay, so what the resistor is definitely the resistor in. So we got a reel here. So we really only need two. No way they just sent me a fucking empty reel, dude. No way. Oh, I think they skipped. It's not empty, but... Only need two, they're pretty big. I think they're 805s. We use the good tweezers. I will get a PCIe capture card just so you guys can see what I'm doing with the microscope. And we'll figure out. I actually should have been doing that the entire time. Well, now I know. Make this. There you go. Okay, so let's flip this over. Clean the tip a bit first. Might be flux on there. I think I put too much room on this thing, but it was my first board. And it was kind of uncomfortable, but that's okay. We can set this aside over here. Oh shit. I don't think it's the right size. Oh, cool. It is. Okay. Alright, so probably should have put these on before I put the Ethernet in, but we will make that work. Kinda wanna use the microscope for this. Yeah, we will. Let's turn this on. That's one. Up. Cool. We're missing these two capacitors right here, which I will show once they come in. Everything looks nice. Cool. Maybe in a future iteration or the final iteration, just to make it look professional, I'll make everything tighter and smaller on this thing. There you go. Okay, so let's turn this off. Bit on this side, but looks good, man. Looks pretty good. Clean up, okay. had an ultrasonic cleaner, I'd use it, but I don't. So it'll look kind of ugly. It's clean. With that rubbing alcohol and the trash. Hopefully to make most of the streaks go away. Let's see if we can heat this thing up so we can. Option just to try to evaporate most of this stuff. Still dirty, but I'll make sure she's clean. Nice. I like how this turned out. Look at that. Well, that's it for today, I think. I'll wait for the capacitors to come in, and then yeah, I'll probably just make a final version just to make it look professional in the end. But this is really just to test to see if it works, and then yeah, man. Oh yeah, I'll make sure to get some what do you call it? Some SMD components for these resistors. I just had these on hand. I didn't really feel like buying anything else at the moment, so. It'll do. So yeah, thanks if you watched this all the way through. Subscribe if you want to see more updates on the Governor project, and hope you guys have a good day. Thank you.